For example, reduce f of a comma b comma c comma d is equal to summation of 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 using K-map to reduce the function to sum of product form, that is in SOP form. To draw K-map, here the given variables are a, b, c, d, means 4 variable K-map. Then draw 4 variable K-map and it creates total 16 squares because 2 raised to 4. 2 raised to 4 is 16. Therefore, it creates 16 squares. A, B, C, D. I am writing the binary values 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C, D, C, D bar. A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B, A, B bar. And write the designation value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And in this given problem, we are reducing the given function to SOP form using K-map. Therefore, the midterms values are created to write the SOP form and taken output value as 1 for given designation value in the K-map. 4. The output is 1. 5, 1. 6, 1. 7, 1. 8, 1, 9, 1. And after writing output value 1 for the given designation value and form the number of pairs, chords and octets. Pairs, the two values are formed continuously. Chord means the 4 values are formed continuously in horizontal or vertical form. Octet means the 8 combinations of values are formed continuously in vertical or horizontal form. Here, one pair and one chord is created because the two values are formed continuously, then form a pair, and here the 4 values are formed continuously and made it as chord. Then write down its related minterm values. Consider first pair. The minterm value is, it is located in the row A, B bar, but column C bar, D bar, C bar, D. Only one row is there. Take this as same A, B bar, but it is located in 2 columns C bar, D bar, C bar, D. Compare these two values. C bar remains same, but D bar, in the next moment, the D bar changes its state to D. The complemented state to uncomplemented state. Therefore, remove this one. Then only take minterm value A, B bar, C bar for this pair. And for chord, these values are located in single row A bar, B, but located in 4 columns C bar, D bar, C bar, D, and these all column values removed because the each variable changes from complemented to uncomplemented as C bar C, C bar C, D bar D, D bar D. Therefore, these all column values removed, only taken a row value A bar B. Yes, then write down the SOP form using midterm values A, B bar, C bar and A bar B. A, B bar, C bar plus A bar B. This is called as sum of product. Sum of product. SOP form using minterms. Minterms is nothing but product of all literals. Product of all literals with or without bar in the function. Thus, the final SOP form is A, B bar, C bar plus A bar B using K-map. We'll see one more example. Reduce f of a, b, c, d using summation of 0, 4, 6, 7, 8, 12, 14, 15 using K-map to reduce the function to SOP form. Again, you have to create a 4 variable K-map. And write down the variables A, B, C, D. And write the binary numbers 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B, A, B bar, C bar, B bar, C bar, D, C, D, C, D bar. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And output the value 1 for a given designation value because here the minterms are created to write SOP form. 0, 1, 4, 1, 6, 1, 7, 1, 8, 1, 12, 1, 14, 1, 15, 1. And see here, these 4 values are formed continuously in vertical form. Therefore, it creates one quad. And these values are formed continuously in horizontal of pair values. Then it creates one more chord. This is a vertical chord. This is a horizontal chord. And write down its minterm values after forming the chords. For this chord, the minterm value is These values are formed in 4 rows but in single column, and these row values are removed because each variable a and b changes from complemented to uncomplemented. Here a bar a, b bar b bar. Therefore, these all values are removed and only take down the column value, that is c bar d bar as minterm value. And for this code, values are formed in 2 rows and 2 columns. In 2 rows and 2 columns. In 2 rows means a bar b, a b. 2 columns means c d bar. First see row, 2 rows, a bar b and next a b. When comparing these 2 rows, a bar removed, only taken b, because the a value is changes from uncomplemented to complement or complemented to uncomplement. And compare these 2 columns c d bar. Here d bar removed because the d value is changes from uncomplemented to complemented value. Only c is taken. And the minterm of this code is BC. And write the SOP form using these minterm values C bar, D bar and BC. C bar, D bar plus BC. Finally, the form SOP expression is C bar, D bar plus BC. Using this is how we reduce the given Boolean function with designated value by finding the minterm values. Here the expression is reduced by K-map. One more example, reduce f of a, b, c, d with designation value 0, 2, 5, 7, 8, 10, 13, 15 using K-map to reduce the function to SOP form. Again, the 4 variable K-map is map and write the variable a, b, c, d binary numbers 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0 and a bar, b bar, a bar, b, a, b, a, b bar, c bar, b bar, c bar, d, c, d, c, d bar. And designation value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And write the output value 1 for the given designation value to create a minterm values to write the SOP form 0, 1, 2, 1, 5, 1, 7, 1, 8, 1, 10, 1, 13, 1, 15, 1. And in this K-map, the 4 values are formed continuously in horizontal form. Then one code is created. Next, see the values. The single values are formed in corner of the K-map. All the corners of the K-map. To make paste the corner values, we have to roll up the map like this. When the given map is and it is pod. And write down the minterm values for each form of pair and pod. The first pair, the minterm value is created as 1, 1. These two values are formed in the row A bar, B bar, but in columns C bar, D bar and C, D bar. C bar, D bar and C, D bar. But these values are found in single row, therefore take the value A bar, B bar as it is. And compare these two columns. Here C bar, C is removed, only taken D bar because the C value is changes from complemented to complemented value. And in the second pair of value, and these two edge of values are formed in row A, D bar, in single row A, D bar, but in two columns C bar, D bar, C, D bar. But A, D bar is taken as same, and comparing two column values, C, C bar again removed, only taken out D bar because the C variable value changes from complemented to uncomplemented value or vice versa. And for third formation pod, take the minterm value. These four values are found in two rows and two columns, that is A bar B, A B, C bar D, C D. Compare these two rows. A bar removed, only taken out B. Compare these two column values. C bar C removed, taken out D. Only B, D minterm value is formed. Again, sum of these all product literals will get a sum of product form. Then write the SOP form. A bar B bar D bar plus A B bar D bar plus B D. This is the final SOP form created using K-map. One more example. Write a SOP form using K-map with the given designation value 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 11, 13, 15 for the variables A, B, C, D. Again create the four variables K-map with the variables A, B, C, D. Write binary numbers 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B, A, B bar, C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C, D, C, D bar. Designation value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And write the output value for the given designation value 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7, 1, 8, 1, 9, 1, 11, 1, 13, 1, 15, 1. Yes, and create the form. See here, these 8 values are formed continuously in vertical form then it creates one octet. And this value is single, in this value is single in the corner of the K map, and this value is mapped with this value, then it creates one pair. And this value is paired with this value, and it creates second pair. Yes, total it creates three forms: first pair, second pair, and one octet. Then write mean-term value for first pair, and these two values are found in row A, B bar, but in column C, D, C, D bar, write a row A bar, B bar as it is. Compare these two column values, D, D bar removed, only C is taken out. And for second pair, these two values are found in single row A, B bar, but in C bar, D bar, C bar, D. A, B bar is taken as same, but compare these two columns, C bar, D bar, C bar, D. D bar, D removed, only C bar is taken out. And for octet, these 8 values are found continuously in vertical form, and these values are represented in 4 rows and 2 columns. 4 rows and in 2 columns, and these all 4 rows of values are removed because A bar, B bar, B bar, the sum of variable A and B changes from complemented to uncomplemented values. Therefore, all these row values are removed, only taken out a column value and comparing these two column values, C bar, D, C, D. Here C bar, C bar, C removed, only D is taken out. Yes, and add all these mean-term values to write the SOP form. A bar, B bar, C plus A, B bar, C bar plus D. This is a SOP form. Hence, the given function with the designation value using K map, we reduce the SOP form by creating the mean-term value.